What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz, and today we've got another smartphone by Realme. I've also done the Realme P4 Power, which has a 10,000 mAh battery. So if you haven't seen it, make sure you check the video out. I will leave the link in the description box below. But this is the P4 Lite. Now I wonder what features this smartphone will have. I'll do an unboxing and review in today's video, and if you want to see any other videos with this smartphone, let me know in the comment section below. Just before I get started, make sure you follow me on one of the social medias above. As I always put up sneak peeks on what to expect on Allsortzz, and as always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification so upload any video you'll actually be notified. So in today's video, we'll take a look at the box, then we'll take a look at what we get inside of the box, take a look at the design of the smartphone, and then we'll take a look at some of the specifications and features, and then we'll take a look at the operating system to see what this Realme P4 Lite is like. So let's get started. Here is the Realme P4 Lite, and I'm going to give you a specification breakdown and features of this phone. Let's start off with the body. It says 167.2 times 76.6 times 7.9 millimeters. It weighs 201 grams. It's got a glass front, which is a Panda glass, and a plastic frame with a plastic back as well. It's a dual nano SIM card, which is on the corner of the phone. It is IP54 dust and water resistant. You can drop resistance of up to 1.8 meters as well. It is a 6.74 inch LCD display with 90 Hertz refresh rate. Its resolution is 720 times 1600 pixels, and it has Panda glass protection. It runs on Android 15 with Realme UI 5.0 with a chipset of a Unisoc T7250, which actually stays in the settings. It's octa-core and it's a Mali G57 MP1. To the cameras, it does look like it's a dual lens setup, but it only has a single lens 13 megapixel wide camera with LED flash, panorama, a ring light, as you can see on the right hand side, which I'll show you later in the video. You can do different settings with that. It records video of 1080p at 30 frames per second. Coming to the selfie camera, it's a 5 megapixel wide camera, and this only records 720 at 30 frames per second. One of the biggest features is the big 6300 mAh battery, and it has a 15 watt wired charger. It also has 6 watt reverse wired charger as well. And other features it has, it's got a loudspeaker, it has a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, Wi-Fi 802.11, Bluetooth 5.2, it has GPS, it's got no NFC or infrared port, no radio, and it is USB Type-C 2.0. You can get it in three different colors, beach gold, black, and also a sea blue, which I have right here. Let's set this up and let's see what the operating system is like. But what do you think of this color? Really nice blue color, this one. Let's push the power button and power it up. You get a vigorous vibrate. Realme powered by Android. Really easy to get dust. It has got a preloaded screen protector on, just a film one, not a glass one. You've got dual SIM card there. I'm sure that's a ring light. You've got LED flash, camera lens. I don't know if it's dual setup, but as you saw earlier, you got volume rockers, power button, USB Type-C speakers, and it's got a headphone jack. You don't actually see them very often in 2026. Let's set this up. So press the forward button. You've got English, UK. We'll press next again. Scroll down. Have they got UK again? Right. Or did I miss it? I think I missed it. Did I miss it? So yeah, English UK, we've got that one there. Legal information, we'll take that, connect to a mobile network, put a SIM card in, we'll just skip that. Set up with another device, you can set it up with the Android or the iPad or the iPhone. We'll skip that one as well. Wi-Fi, we'll skip that. So this is the one if you're wanting to actually set it up yourself with all your details. I won't be using this, it's just an unboxing and review. So we'll accept that. So it's got 3 different security features. You got your fingerprint, face unlock, and password, which is a good security features. All 3 of them are good security features to have. We'll check out the fingerprint sensor later in the video. Press done there, and that's it. Realme UI. Let's get started. And did we press the button? Yes. Does take a bit of time. Essential apps for your new device download. We'll just take that off. Swiping it from the top, we'll take all the apps off from there. It is quite colourful when it comes to the UI home screen. Look at that. Really nice and colourful. Shame about the big chin at the bottom. I thought they won't be using them in 2026, even though this phone costs less than £99. You'd still think they put a better screen in it, but this is like a budget smartphone for those people who are wanting it for the kids or elderly. It's not a bad smartphone. We'll check it out with the features. Let's see, go ahead and see what we have in the operating system. Swipe down for your notifications and your shortcuts. Swipe down again will bring up all your shortcuts. So you got a ring flash, locations, quick share, screenshot, pulse light as well. So that is this light right here. Well, let's swipe it down, hold it in, and there we have it. You can set it up, pulse light active, incoming calls, notifications. You can toggle it on and off. You've got to use the 3 buttons at the bottom. We'll see if we can change that. Battery, charging, low battery as well. Camera, countdown light, light style. So yeah, I'll show you. Let's see how it is when we connect it to a charger. There we have it. We've got the light there, so it's red. And when you charge it, it'll change to green. So it does work, but it was on a different color. So there we have it. That is the pulse light on the Realme P4 Lite. Moving on, let's go back. That's the speaker cleaner. No idea where that came from. So yeah, you can actually edit some more on as well. So if you go to edit here, you can actually, they're the ones already on here. So you can actually add these ones, which have lots, color correction, gloves, calculator, focus mode. So if you've got gloves on, you can actually use that feature to have. Looking at the screen as well, it's got Google preloaded apps on here as well. Swiping it across, you got loads there. You got your phone management. Yeah, you can actually have some apps already on the home screen, or you can change them wherever you like. So some of the tools that you can actually do. Look how colourful it is. Really nice and colourful. You got your settings. It's already got social media apps preloaded. Hot games as well. Let's go. So you need to have your connection to actually use the hot games or the hot apps. What about must play? So you've got a few games already loaded on here. Bubble Pop, which we're going to check out later. You got Block Blast as well. Let's check out Bubble Blop to see if it actually works. I'm pretty sure I used to use this, play this game when I was growing up, as you say. Except that Bubble Pop, wow, actually brings back memories, this game. Shame about the big bezel at the bottom. So yeah, this, if I'm not mistaken, for those who used to have Sky, it used to be a similar game to this when you go into the Sky games. Wow, that's a good memory game. That, so it's got color balls, word correct, the defeat zombie. So it's got 6 games already loaded. You can actually put more games on once you connect to the internet, and it's got a few social media app clean up right there. So you've got your phone app here where you can actually make some phone calls. Let's go into settings and see what we can do from there. So going into settings, usually you have about phone there. I think this one's at the bottom. This is a Realme Android 15, device name P4 Lite, device storage is 64 gig. It's a RMX 5313 model with a T7250 processor, 4 gigs of RAM. It has got virtual RAM as well, RAM expansion, Android 15, and a few other features right there. So you got your typical settings. You can do your wallpaper and style there, display and brightness, what screen hertz is this, auto refresh rate, so it's got a 60 hertz or the 90 hertz refresh rate as you saw earlier. Notifications, you can toggle them on and off. Let's go into security and privacy, and let's try and use wait, hold on, we need to try and use the fingerprint sensor and see what it's like. So you have to wait 5 seconds while you're reading this apparently. Press continue, do our Allsortzz pattern, and again press OK. Show notifications, yes. We need a fingerprint sensor. So how it works, let's agree. So the fingerprint sensor is already in the power button right there, so it just shows you how it's done. You have to put your tap your finger on the button and then let go, and it actually tells you whereabouts it's getting the fingerprint from. So you can actually put it on the fingerprint added. Add one more. We'll add our left index finger, so we can actually make a few shorts videos while it's unlocking. Does take a bit of time, so you gotta have a bit of patience. So yeah, let's press done and let's see how it is. So that is on the screen. How fast is it? Not bad, to be honest. Let's take the screen off, and that's how quick it is, to be honest. Even you can actually touch it and it'll come on, or you can actually click the button and it'll come on. Quite fast as well, I'm not gonna lie. Look at that. No animation, just straight unlock. There you go. Good to have that. And you can actually use face unlock as well. Security and privacy, safety and emergency, location, apps, battery, 6500 mAh battery. Is it 6300 mAh, sorry about that. System update. So yeah, overall it's not a bad phone. It actually costs about £99 at the time of this recording, and for £99 you actually do get a lot of features, including a massive 6500 mAh battery. You've got a ring light, you've got a camera, well, cameras as well, fingerprint sensors, USB Type-C, headphone jack, and a lot of other features. But overall it's not a bad phone for the money. What do you think of it? Let me know in the comment section below. Is this something you would buy? If you want to see any other videos with this smartphone, please do let me know. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you again for another video.